How to share Block Blast link to friends. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share a Block Blast link with your friends. To do so, first of all, open your Block Blast application on your mobile device. You'll be directed to this page once you open the application. Here at the top right, you'll be able to see the gear or the settings icon. Simply tap on it. And in this pop-up, here you will need to tap on More Settings option. Now again a pop-up will appear. Here you will need to look for the option Share with Friends. Once you get it, tap on it and then a link will be generated at the bottom. You can copy this link directly by simply tapping on the copy option at the right side. And once it has been copied, now you can share it via different social media or messaging application to your friends. You can post it on platforms like Facebook, Twitter or Instagram, or you can send it via WhatsApp, Messenger or any other messaging application. Also, you can paste the link into an email and send it to your friends. And once they click on the link, they will be able to join you to play the Block Blast game and challenge them to beat your score. For this, you'll also need to make sure your friends have access to the same platform where they can play Block Blast. So by following these steps, you should be able to share a Block Blast link with your friends. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.